Hello, we have an exciting video for you today. Today is a potential new flip, and we're going to be trying to do within the next few weeks. Now stay tuned throughout the rest of the video and see what happens. Now to protect the person selling the vehicle, we did deepen the voices. This way it wasn't their exact voice. So now this is a 1965 C20 with a 350 power plant in it that was swapped in at some point. A nice auto transmission in it, and we have a few things that we have to do maintenance wise outside of just the rust which we're seeing right now. But we want to make sure we get rid of all that rust so it doesn't keep spreading and eating the rest of the cab, because we all know what happens when you let rust sit. I was checking out to see how it looked underneath the bed itself. It has an 8-foot bed with a liner also installed, which I'm going to have to take the liner out so we can see what we're going to have to repair if there is any metal work that's needed underneath there. Which will be one of the first things that I do once we get it back over to our garage. We can then see what's going on. We can then see what's going on underneath this carpet too, and make sure if there's some stuff underneath there that we might have to patch. A little bit of bubbling going on right there, and as you can see, there's a massive split by the back tailgate area on the driver's side, which we're going to have to pick and choose what we're going to do first. Time to hear it start up. A little bit of rock going on at the bottom of that door.
I like the way it sounds.
Now at this point we're pretty much over checking the engine bay area, checking for any major leaks or anything else like that, which will result in what we might have to do later on. Now the slide window is a little jammed in the back, which we'll have to figure out what's going on with the tracking system. How's the speedometer? Is it moving? No.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. All right. So speedometer's working.
Doesn't really need to go too far. Still got power. Yeah, that's an exhaust leak.
I said, fuck power steering.
Yeah. Oh, you went back? Oh, I see that. Yeah, you got a hard fucking... Hey, why not? You fucking 50 years of driving.
I just bought these flies off Coker, the old school, tall, skinny. Yeah. That's what I wanted. I said, I go out, drive around the block, burn wheels with it, come back, put it in the garage.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna get a video of it hearing it start.
So within an hour, we gave it some time, and we knew that we actually wanted the truck, so we went back and put a deposit, but we had to go pick up our U-Haul trailer. After picking up the trailer, we drove 2 more hours back to the location to go pick up the truck.
Yeah, come on. Turn a little bit this way. Turn a little bit this way. Yeah, straight. Okay.
Alright, we got it loaded up and now it's time to drive back to our location of our garage, which is about 2 hours away from here.
Yeah!
We stopped at Wawa real quick to refuel up our gas tank and also get some fuel for our stomach. We have a little bit more of a drive to go to get back to our garage. Alright, we made it home safely. Now it's just time to back it up and then we can get it loaded in the garage tomorrow.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You can go back more a little bit if you want. You stay right there, wherever you want.
One more startup before the end of the night. We just wanted to make sure everything was A-okay after that ride, which nothing really should have changed.
Wow, it sounds good.
Now the nature of this flip is going to be a really tight timeline. You're talking almost a month just to get this whole thing done in this garage. Remember to like and subscribe. All of these little likes and subscriptions help grow our small channel. Remember, we're not a big shop yet, but we're working our way up there, and I hope to have a restoration shop one day.